If you're a shorter guy over 40, your wardrobe might be doing you more harm than good. The wrong clothes can make you look shorter, older, and less confident, but the right ones can help you look taller, sharper, and more put together almost instantly. Today we're breaking down 15 clothing mistakes that might be holding you back and showing you what to wear instead to upgrade your style with ease. Mistake number 1, the baggy trap. When your clothes hang off your frame, balloon at the waist, or pull around your ankles, you disappear inside the outfit. What's worse, they create visual width instead of length, making you look both older and shorter than you actually are. A common excuse is comfort, but the truth is you can be comfortable and still look put together. The fix: choose clothing that gently follows the lines of your body, not tight or restrictive, just tailored with a natural drape. Your shirt should sit neatly on your shoulders, jackets should taper at the waist, and pants should have clean lines without extra fabric. Small adjustments like this can completely transform how your body looks in clothes. Mistake number 2, the long shirt disaster. When shirts are too long, hanging halfway down your thighs or past your fly, they visually shorten your legs and throw off your body's balance. This is one of the most common mistakes men under 5'9" make, and it's even more noticeable after 40 when proportions become more important. The result? Your upper body looks heavier and your legs look shorter. The solution is simple. Aim for shirts that end about 2 to 3 inches below your belt line right around mid-fly. If you find a great shirt that's just a bit too long, take it to a tailor. Next time you shop, check if the brand offers a short length or petite fit option. Mistake number 3, avoid oversized logos and graphics. For shorter men over 40, bold graphics and large logos can backfire. They draw the eye away from your face and toward the middle of your torso, creating unnecessary distraction and breaking up your vertical line. Worse, oversized graphics can look juvenile. Instead, stick with pieces that are clean, simple, and well-fitted, solid colors, subtle textures, and small-scale patterns. If you want a logo, choose one that's minimal and placed tastefully. Mistake number 4, the bulk problem. Thick, heavy fabrics add bulk without shape, making your silhouette boxy and top-heavy. So, swap out bulky pieces for materials that drape cleanly over your frame. Think merino wool, soft twill, lightweight cotton, or performance blends. These fabrics hug just enough to show your shape without clinging or, suffocating you. Mistake number 5, don't let your undershirt show. An exposed undershirt neckline can instantly ruin a clean look. Instead, switch to V-neck undershirts or moisture-wicking layers that stay hidden, and opt for slim-fitting undershirts that hug the body without bunching. Mistake number 6, layer with proportion in mind. When shorter men layer without considering proportion, things go sideways fast. The fix? Layer from shortest to longest. Your base layer should be the shortest, followed by mid-layers, and finally your outerwear. Oh, and avoid layering too many thick items. Instead, opt for thinner, form-following fabrics. Mistake number 7, skip cropped pants. Cropped pants make your legs look shorter. Stick with pants that land just at the top of your shoe with a slight break. And if your pants are too long, get them hemmed. One of the most common style mistakes women over 45 make is falling for overly trendy footwear that ultimately detracts from their overall polished look. While chunky sneakers and platform shoes might dominate fashion magazines, these statement styles often add unnecessary visual weight to the lower half, creating a disproportionate silhouette that can make you appear shorter and stockier than you actually are. These timeless styles provide the comfort and practicality you need for daily wear while maintaining an age-appropriate elegance. The key is choosing shoes with streamlined silhouettes that complement rather than compete with your outfit, creating a harmonious balance from head to toe. Well-constructed leather or suede options in classic colors like black, taupe, or oxblood will integrate seamlessly into your wardrobe, offering versatility across seasons and occasions. By curating a small collection of these essential, flattering styles, you'll create outfits that look intentionally put together rather than accidentally dated by fast fashion footwear choices. One of the most impactful yet often overlooked style principles for women over 45 involves carefully considering the length of your outerwear. While long, dramatic coats might seem elegant in theory, they frequently overwhelm petite or average height frames, creating a head-to-toe column of fabric that visually swallows your figure and obscures your natural proportions. The hip-length cut is particularly versatile as it pairs equally well with both pants and dresses, transitions seamlessly from day to evening, and maintains a youthful energy without venturing into trendy territory. When selecting your ideal outerwear length, consider your height. Petite women may want to stay closer to the hip-length sweet spot, while taller frames can carry mid-thigh styles beautifully. Pay equal attention to the jacket's shoulder fit and waist definition. Even at the perfect length, an overly boxy cut can still create that dreaded swallowed-up effect. Mistake number 10, the untucked disaster. Shirts designed to be tucked in look awkward when worn untucked. If you prefer untucked, buy shirts specifically designed for that. They're cut shorter and straighter. Mistake number 11, don't let accessories overpower you. Too many accessories create chaos. Stick to one or two high-quality pieces. A clean watch, subtle chain, or classic sunglasses. Mistake number 12, the coat catastrophe. Long coats overwhelm shorter frames. Opt for jackets that stop around the hip or mid-thigh. Mistake number 13, the wide leg trap. Wide leg pants make you look wider and shorter. Choose slim or straight leg fits instead. Mistake number 14, the accessory overload. Accessories should enhance, not overpower. Keep it clean and intentional. As women over 45 refine their wardrobes, it's easy to focus solely on clothing choices, hemlines, necklines, and color palettes, while overlooking the essential elements that truly elevate a look: posture, grooming, and confidence. The most impeccably styled outfit can fall flat without these foundational qualities, while even simple clothing appears polished and intentional when paired with strong posture, meticulous grooming, and self-assured presence. Think of style as a complete package. Your clothes are the frame, but how you carry yourself is the masterpiece within it. Posture is the silent communicator of confidence and vitality. Slouching or rounding the shoulders instantly ages the body, while standing tall with shoulders back and head held high creates an immediate impression of energy and authority. Good posture also enhances how clothing drapes on your frame, making tailored pieces look more expensive and relaxed styles appear effortlessly chic. Simple adjustments, like imagining a string pulling you upward from the crown of your head or engaging your core when seated, can transform not just how others perceive you, but how you feel in your clothes. Grooming is the invisible thread that ties a look together. Well-maintained hair, a polished manicure, and thoughtful skincare signal attention to detail that transcends trends. As skin and hair texture change with age, adapting your grooming routine becomes essential. Think hydrated skin with a subtle glow, brows that frame the face, and hairstyles that balance volume and movement. Even the most expensive outfit loses its impact with neglected details, while a crisp white shirt and well-fitted jeans can look luxe when paired with glossy hair and radiant skin. Finally, confidence is the ultimate accessory, one that never goes out of style. It's the difference between wearing clothes and owning them. Confidence comes from knowing what works for your body, lifestyle, and personality, rather than chasing fleeting trends. When you feel assured in your choices, it shows in the way you move, speak, and engage with the world. This doesn't mean you need to feel fearless every day, but rather that you embrace your individuality and carry yourself with quiet self-assurance. The key to looking taller, sharper, and more put together lies in intentional choices, not trend chasing. Whether it's adjusting your posture, refining your grooming routine, or simply standing a little taller in your favorite outfit, small shifts create a ripple effect in your overall presence. So, which of these changes will you try first? Drop a comment and let's talk style. Remember, dress sharp, carry confidence, and own your presence, because true style is an attitude as much as it is an aesthetic.